where do you find John Fernandez going wrong? See, जेन्ना 2012 असेंब्ली इलेक्शन जालें तेन्ना तुवें म्हळें सगळ्यांनी म्हळें की बाबा लोकांनी पार्टी ऑलमोस्ट 60-70% निवळ केली.
करेक्ट.
आतां उरिल्ली ती आमी निवळ करपा जाय.
करेक्ट.
And fresh blood, fresh leadership has to come forward and build it over a period of these 5 years.
Don't you see?
Now, John Fernandez is exactly attempting that.
Yes.
And still you people have a problem.
No, that's why I said, I am very clear. Party has to take a decision and party has to tell, Baba, ek bair marya, ek bair naka, ek doriya, ek don naka. Now, if party is not telling, now John cannot take a decision on his own. John has got somebody higher than him. Please remember. So the high command has to step in and say, okay, these fellows go out and these fellows remain. And if these fellows remain, they don't do their work, they will go out. I expect that.
John's a dictator kaso wagta?
No, John has not, John has not contested elections. So John, tends to go a little overboard. The sense that, I'm an elected representative, can't boycott of the election. And so kon maar hayla to, to te khobar asta. So maybe he's going, maybe he doesn't, maybe that he doesn't have that step. But I think High Command should step in and tell him that this is your limit. You cannot cross this limit. If you cross it, you're out or whatever you're in.
So तुमची पार्टीची सध्या परिस्थिती अशी आसा की तुमचो जीपीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट लिमिट क्रॉस करता जाल्यार तुमचो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन लिमिटा माराकच पावना.
But don't you think, one thing, let us imagine, don't you think that all these leaders, तुझे म्हणला की they have not, they have failed to, give a performance in as a role what they have been given, and a lot of other leaders. Don't you feel that new people have to be brought in, and people who will, break their role, who will do their role nicely? Don't you feel?
बरें, म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, taking your point ahead.
Yes.
आता जेन्ना प्रताप सिंग राणेचेर हें सिरियस एलिगेशन जाला. Now there are two options. One, whether you feel that the allegation is justified. Two, if you feel that it is justified, do you believe that leader of opposition should step down from his position, considering the seriousness of the allegation?
I think, the present ruling government has gone a little overboard in nailing him. I think as a statesman, the Home Minister should not attempt this type of things. The very fact that it is come on paper that one of the person who they say gave money, what's his name, I can't get his name, and gave money, took along a Congress MLA, that doesn't augur well. हुई तरी आता चीफ मिनिस्टर आहा तो तेजान म्हणपाय ना आपण कांय पयशे केना म्हणून. He cannot make that statement because पयशे नासतना government चलना, पयशे नासतना party चलना आनी पयशे नासतना politics चलना. हांव तुका थोड्योच सांगता, हांव एक question.
So are you justifying corruption?
I am not justifying corruption. I only want to say that among the blind, one-eyed is the king. So the person.
So who is the one-eyed here? You are saying Pratap Singh Rane is the one-eyed?
No, I am not.
Or you are saying Manohar Parrikar is the one-eyed? And rest all are blind?
No. Pratap Singh, Manohar Parrikar, he thinks all are blind. He is one-eyed is the king. Forgets, like how you used to say when in the opposition, the TVs are watching you. The press is watching you, the people are watching you. So today, I am also telling him the same thing. 40 fellows, he thinks he are blind. No doubt, we may not be completely blind as he thinks. He may be the one-eyed king, but people are watching him. The press is watching him and the democracy set up is watching him.
Alice, this FIR against Pratap Singh Rane,
yeah,
justified or unjustified?
I think after so many years and after, at this point of time, I don't think it is justified. I personally feel that it is not justified, and I feel the present government has gone a little overboard on this matter. I want to ask you one question. Do you think this case, prima facie, what you see, can it be taken to its logical end? I'm asking you.
Definitely. What I am saying is when Bhalchandra Naik made that
आता
statement,
सध्या
when
प्रयत्न
Bhalchandra
चालतात,
Naik made
सध्या-
that statement, it was our channel who exposed the illegalities carried out by the person who is making the allegation.
Correct.
The point is, Alex, this is again reflecting in the performance of your leader of opposition in the assembly.
Now it is deliberate.
Now that is serious. Now that the tussle between John Fernandez and
See,
Pratap Singh Rane is an internal matter of the party. But when that internal matter reflects in the assembly, it affects public good.
Yes, I am making a point. I think the opposition leader, being a man of that stature and with so much of experience, I think this issue should not matter his performance as a leader of the house, of the opposition. As a leader of the opposition, this type of thing should not stop his performance. I personally feel, because I don't think he is too small a man for these too small allegations.
So you are backing your leader of opposition.
I will do my duty. I will back the president also till such time he is there. I will back I am totally backing the opposition leader, and because I am backing him, I know how much I have to, because I backed him for the last 2 years, I know how much I have gone through, so much of this I had to bear from some of my members also. But at the same time, today also I am backing him.
You are respecting the
Yes,
chair. You are respecting the chair. Second thing, Alex, तुझी election आजी बाबतीत कशी allegation जाता, and I want to ask you that very frankly.
Very frankly, ask me.
कि तुझे campaign was outsourced to a non-congressman. That is Vijay Sardesai. So Alex, इतली वाईट परिस्थिती आयली की your own party could not run your campaign, and Alex Reginald did not have faith in his own party that his campaign can be run. आणि ताका लास्टाक विजय सरदेसायाचे विश्वास दवरचो पडलो. विजयान तुझे कॅम्पेन रन केलें, एंड डेफिनेटली इट बिकेम अ व्हेरी क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट. बट तें जर विजय करनाशिल्लो जाल्यार आलेशाक हाज्या की अर्द सुद्दां मतां पडनाशिल्लीं.
See, Vijay is a friend, and Vijay was part of this
Overall strategy of getting candidature.
No, overall strategy of that I would not like to comment. I don't. I will not say that.
But you outsourced your campaign to
There
Vijay
is no
Sardesai.
question of outsourcing. There is no question of outsourcing.
And Vijay did good job. I'm not saying Vijay did better. Vijay did good job.
Vijay did good job.
And your party could not have done that.
No. Party could have done it, and party also have done whatever their job they were supposed to do. Only thing is, some of the fellows, it's like this. They get tenka kono oi solo naka. So maybe that was one of the reason. And second, they have in fact they have got everything on the plate. They don't know what is hard work. So we have done hard work. I have not. There is no question of outsourcing my elections. I am not
saying that is bad or wrong.
No, I am not. I am saying forget whether good or wrong. I am saying it's not outsourced.
You might have gone with the right strategy and strategies.
No, it is not outsourced. We have not gone with the right strategy and right strategies. We have done our job. We have contested elections. We contested to win. When I contested to win, what I do is not important. In politics, there is only one prize. So if we had won, no one would have complained about the strategy, because we have lost.
I am not complaining. I am saying that your party could not have done better. That is why तुमचे जे काय heavyweights आसात सालसेतीतले तांकां कुशीक दवरचे पडले, तांकां स्टेजीर सुद्दां हाडनासतना कॅम्पेन रन करची पडली. विजय डीड अ व्हेरी गुड जॉब. तेच जर तुमचे पार्टीन केल्लें जाल्यार हाज्या की अर्द सुद्दां बरें जायनाशिल्लें. दॅट इज वॉट आय एम सेयिंग.
हांव तुका एकूच सांगता तुका, कॅन्डिडेट जर तर हांव जाल्लो, I would have seen that I do, and सारकें exactly the same election, same way I would have handled, whatever may be the circumstances, whatever, with whoever I had, I would have done it the same way. Finish.
Irrespective of Vijay.
I am not saying irrespective of Vijay, but my strategy for the elections would have been the same. Perhaps I would have.
पार्टीन रन केल्या सुद्दां तूं सालसेतीतल्या खंयच्याच हेवीवेटाक तुज्या माचयेर चडपाक दिनाशिल्लो.
कित्याक? कोण येयले जाल्यार हांवें कोणा हाडायला?
आयलेत ना.
आयलेत ना जाल्यार रे. आयले जाल्यार हांवें कोणा स्टॉप केलें नाय. Let us be very clear. I have not stopped anybody. I am telling you that even if Vijay had to stop somebody, I would have stepped in. There is no question of I stopping anybody. Finish. That's it. And Vijay and I didn't have a difference on anybody. Konako yanaka. That's the welcome, honey. Whoever is come is welcome.
It was not a deliberate strategy by you and Vijay to keep them away.
No way.
They did not come.
No, I am telling you, I welcome it. And if they feel that it is that, it is absolutely not.
बरें, दुसरी गजाल, सालसेत आनी ओवरऑल साऊथ गोवा हो तुमचो गड म्हणटात.
Yes.
तो गड हातांतल्यान गेलो. अशें म्हणटाले की 2 वर्सां उपरांत जेन्ना इलेक्शन जाता सरकाराचे 2 वर्सां उपरांत खंय तरी तुमी हें म्हणटाले की इतली एंटी इनकम्बन्सी आसा, ती एंटी इनकम्बन्सीचे कॅपिटलायज करून which was already your forte, which did not go to BJP but went out of Congress hands in the assembly election, ह्या हाका तुम्ही सबस्टेन्शियली तुमचो पावर प्रूव्ह करून ती जिखून हाडटले. व्हाय दॅट डीड नॉट हॅपन?
पर्रीकराक सोया आयली रडी खावपाची आनी तेणें 2 मेजर लॅप्सीस केले. एक लॅप्स म्हणलो इलेक्शन एक कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आसता. I don't think anywhere it is possible के election code of conduct and job orders दिवपाक शकता.
You are saying you are just blaming it on one word.
I am not blaming anybody.
No, you are putting the whole thing on one word.
No. I am coming to the point. I am not blaming.
Okay.
I am not blaming.
Okay.
Politics is a dirty game. The dirtiest person wins the job as long as the end result is the victory. पेटे जालो जाल्यार सगळे मुखार येताले. हांव पयलें सांगता तुका. सेकंड हांव सांगता तुका की कोड ऑफ कंडक्टान कोण जॉब लेटर दिता. आमगे गेले ते टर्मान तेणें जॉबाचे ऑफर लेटर दिल्ले ते जॉब कॅन्सल केले. वॉट रायट ही हेज? डज ही हॅव अ रायट? मनीस इतलो वोटिंग जावपाक शकता, जो मनीस इतलो वोटिंग जावपाक शकता की आमगेले जॉब भायर मारलेले तो हें करून जॉब दिवपाक शकता. इज इट पॉसिबल?
Why you could not hold the control of your forte?
I could not hold. We see, it is like this.
Why you could not capitalize on the so-called anti-incumbency that you are claiming?
See, it's very simple. That our fellows, some of our senior leaders who were in the party for so many years, who have enjoyed benefit, got sold out. For example, Churchill Alema 4 ticket dille gelte party. Like right, he has got any moral right and ethics? Does he know what is ethics? Even in politics, सोरा देखून एक हें आसता. सोर देखून आपणाक एरिया भायर वचना आनी तो आपणाक एरिया दुसऱ्याक येवपाक दिना आनी आपल्याक एरिया सोडून दुसऱ्याक एरिया वचना. एथिक्स मात सारदीन म्हणल्यार कितें? वॉट डज ही हॅव एथिक्स? कॅन यू बिलीव अलेक्स सिकेर जे मनशान इतली वर्सां काँग्रेस पार्टीक केलें, जोकी आलेमांव पयर चॅलेंज मारता चेअरमॅना साल्वागोऱ्यान दाखय म्हूण. हे विसरले इन काँग्रेस पार्टी, एक काँग्रेस पार्टी नाजाल्यार हेंक हाताळलो कोण? आनी कितें जाय तुका? हेच मनीस तर साथ नाय जाल्यार मुखार आनी केसो वयता.
म्हाका दिसता की कितली ओपोजिशन जातलें खबर ना, पण आलेश, विजय, नरेश सावळ एटलिस्ट ह्या 3 जाणां कडच्यान आमकां एक ओपोजिशन कन्सिस्टंट पळोवपाक मेळटलें इतलीच आमी अपेक्षा दवरतात. खूब मेकळेपणान उलयलो, पार्टीचेर उलयलो, स्वताच्या इलेक्शनाचेर उलयलो. थँक्स अ लॉट. इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू.